Cool. Today I'll tell you about the tape measures I use. Maybe someone will find them useful. Of course, you could use just one crappy one, but I've gotten a little spoiled. I have 4 of them. I got rid of all the others. 2 of them are my main ones, and the other 2 are more like accessories. I'll say right away that I removed all the clips and laces because they were no longer needed. So, the first one, the most frequently used, is a lightweight 3-meter one with a not-so-wide blade. For me, the auto stop and the scale on both sides were important. I mainly use it when cutting various materials. Why a narrow blade? Because the wider it is, the more concave it is, and that's not very convenient for marking. That's why I don't like tape measures like the Stanley FatMax at all. I held it in my hands, and the weight alone made me not want to buy it. This is my main one. Specifically, it's from Gross, but you can find one with a sticker from any other manufacturer, Wurth and so on. It's just that usually Gross and Your don't put their logo on anything. I've been using it for years and still haven't gotten tired of it. It's completely rubberized, so despite frequent falls, everything is great. The blade breaks after about 1.5 meters. There's no glare at all. I can recommend it. Next up is the 5-meter Milwaukee with a wider blade. It's for more messy tasks, like marking out various linear sheet materials, and just measuring a room by myself sometimes. Before this, I had an 8-meter chalkboard. It was heavy and inconvenient, and, as it turns out, I don't need 8 meters. It's a shame there are almost no 6-meter tape measures. It lasted a couple of months. It got caught in the rain, and literally a couple of drops fell on it, and it was ruined. Then there was the model with a magnet. I hated it. It always gets caught in the wrong place. Metal dust sticks to the magnet itself. Basically, it's not my thing. After a while, I decided to give Milwaukee a second chance. I came across this 5-meter one with an auto stop. This model is from the new series. Surprisingly, it hasn't broken in a couple of years. The blade easily holds 240. Any further, it breaks if you move it carelessly. It's enough for me. There's practically no glare in the sun. Basically, it's fine. Next up is BMI. Specifically, this one has the FTOL logo in the signature colors. There's a compass here. I've never used it because I need to remember. Set the desired radius in this window. And off we go. The scale here is metric and inch on both sides, but slightly different. The slightest jiggle causes the blade to break after 60 centimeters. There's no auto stop either. Unlike the previous ones, the blade here isn't nylon coated, but has some kind of glossy crap, and it shines just like that in the sun. It's incredibly reflective. I think I could do without it, but I really like this window when measuring all sorts of niches and internals. Yes, you can bend a regular one and shove it where you need it, or add the length of the case, which is written on the back on most of them. But here I just took it and measured it. Cool. Do you need such a toy or not? See for yourself. And finally, there's WorkPro. Essentially, it's a tape measure in the form of a sewing tape. It's not often used, but it's necessary. I took the cheapest of the more or less decent ones when I need to quickly measure the perimeter, the circumference, especially of something wildly uneven. It's indispensable for not bending a regular one. It also has an auto stop, by the way. Overall, it's a great thing, especially for the price. That's basically it. Let me know what you liked and what you use yourself. Subscribe. Good luck to everyone. Well, that's it, we've talked.